Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best toaster oven of this year, then you are in the right place. Today we are here with an interesting video. Now I will make video on best toaster oven of 2024. If you like the product and want to buy the products, you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product 1: Emeril Lagasse Toaster Oven. The Emeril Lagasse Toaster Oven, specifically the 420067502 model, is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to cater to various cooking needs. With a spacious 26-quart capacity, it offers ample room for cooking large meals or multiple dishes simultaneously. One of its standout features is the incorporation of an air fryer function, which allows users to enjoy crispy and delicious fried foods with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. This air frying capability makes it a healthier alternative for those looking to indulge in their favorite fried foods without compromising on taste or texture. Additionally, the inclusion of a grill plate enhances its versatility, enabling users to grill meats, vegetables, and more directly in the toaster oven. This feature adds another dimension to the cooking possibilities, allowing for a wider range of recipes to be prepared conveniently in one appliance. The toaster oven is equipped with convection technology, ensuring even heat distribution throughout the cook. Add a touch of elegance to the design, but also make it easier to access food inside the oven, especially when dealing with larger items or multiple trays. Constructed with durable stainless steel, the Emeril Lagasse Toaster Oven is built to withstand regular use and is easy to clean, making it a practical and long-lasting addition to any kitchen. Overall, it offers convenience, versatility, and performance, making it a valuable tool for home cooks. Product 2: Product name Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. The Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet various cooking needs efficiently. With its large capacity, it can accommodate up to 6 slices of toast or a 12-inch pizza, making it suitable for both small and large households. Equipped with 4 cooking functions including convection, bake, broil, and air fry, this toaster oven offers flexibility to cook a wide range of dishes. One notable feature of the Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven is its roll-top door, which provides easy access to food without the need for extra clearance space. This design feature makes it convenient to use, especially in kitchens with limited countertop space. Additionally, the SureCrisp technology ensures that your food comes out crispy and evenly cooked every time. Constructed with stainless steel, this toaster oven not only looks sleek, but also offers durability and easy maintenance. Whether you're toasting bread, baking cookies, broiling vegetables, or air frying chicken wings, the performance for all your cooking endeavors. Product 3: Product name Nuov Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven. The Nuov Bravo Air Fryer Toaster Smart Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to streamline cooking processes and offer multiple functionalities in one compact unit. With its 12-in-1 capabilities, it serves as a convection oven, air fryer, toaster, and more, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Its generous 30-quart XL capacity provides ample space for cooking larger meals, ideal for families or gatherings. The temperature controls ranging from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit offer precise cooking options for a variety of recipes, ensuring optimal results each time. Moreover, the ability to adjust both the top and bottom heaters from 0% to 100% allows for customizable cooking to suit different dishes and preferences. Visually, the brushed stainless steel look gives the Nuov Bravo a sleek and modern appearance that can complement any kitchen decor. Its countertop design makes it convenient to use without taking up excessive space, perfect for both small and large decor. Its countertop design makes it convenient to use without taking up excessive space, perfect for both small and large kitchen environments. Product 4: Product name Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Countertop Toaster Oven. The Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Countertop Toaster Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers convenience and functionality in a compact design. As the name suggests, it serves a dual purpose, functioning both as a toaster oven and a long slot 2-slice toaster. This innovative feature allows users to toast bread or bagels to perfection, while also having the option to bake, broil, or reheat various dishes with the toaster oven functionality. Equipped with a 60-minute timer and automatic shut-off feature, this appliance ensures precise cooking and provides peace of mind by automatically turning off when the cooking cycle is complete. Additionally, the shade selector allows users to customize their toast or baked goods to their preferred level of crispiness or doneness. Constructed with durable stainless steel, the Hamilton Beach 2-in-1 Countertop Toaster Oven not only adds a sleek aesthetic to any kitchen countertop, but also ensures long-lasting performance. Its compact size makes it ideal for countertop, but also ensures long-lasting performance. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or spaces, where maximizing countertop real estate is essential. Product 5 Black Plus Decker 4-Slice Toaster Oven. The Black Plus Decker 4-Slice Toaster Oven Model TO1313 SBD offers a versatile cooking experience with 4 cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. With its even toast technology, you can expect consistent results every time you use it. It's designed to accommodate up to 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza, making it suitable for small households or individuals. One of its convenient features is the removable crumb tray, which makes cleaning up a breeze. The built-in timer helps you keep track of cooking times, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. With dimensions of 15.47 inches, it's compact enough to fit on most countertops without taking up too much space. Whether you're toasting bread for breakfast, baking a small batch of cookies, or keeping leftovers warm, this toaster